Today I'm going to show you how to change hair color in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your lasso tool from the toolbar and create a loose selection around the hair. Go to Select and select and Mask. Open the View preset and select the overlay. I'll increase the opacity to 100%. Open your Refine Edge brush tool. Just paint around the hair just like that. Open the Properties panel. Under the Output, choose Selection. Then click OK. Click on the group icon. Then create a layer mask. Click on the Adjustment layer. And create a hue and saturation. Drag the saturation slider all the way to -80. Go back to Adjustment layer and create a Levels. I'll increase the midtone input level to 0.85 and the highlight output level 145. Once you're satisfied, close Properties. Open your brush tool from the toolbar, and with a soft round brush, the brush opacity is 100%, and the flow is 100%. Select the mask, make sure foreground color is black. Paint with black to erase the extras. And that's it. Thanks for watching.